Just a second. Yeah, this is the priority one actually.
Perfect. Everyone wrote same like this, or anyone wrote in different way? Hmm? Everyone wrote in the same way? Yeah, actually the condition is correct. Old value not equal to new value. Or
Yeah,
else you can write new value not equal to old value. Anything
whole
is same.
value. Yeah, either one.
Yeah, anything
Correct.
is same. Yeah, but that should be the condition. Yeah, everything is actually in second line where you have modified this equal to new value. It doesn't matter actually.
This
See, in
one,
second
right?
line you have modified that, right? Yeah, you added this old value equal to equal. It's
The
not
equal to
required.
new.
It's not
Okay.
required. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
you can
So
remove that. No, remove only old value equal to because out of the box there will be new value.
okay. So
Give
like this
control
part.
Z. Give control Z. Control Z.
Uh,
Yeah.
it should be old value equal to
Remove that old
one
value
that
equal to
parenthesis
equal to.
kind of.
This
Remove
one,
the
right?
old value equal to equal. Yeah, only that.
Okay.
Remove the double equal to also.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's enough. Okay.
Got it.
There is no need to change that actually.
Okay.
Jagdish, have you done
Okay.
the same way?
Kalki, I have a
No,
doubt.
actually, yeah, my internet has been not working throughout the day, and my from mobile internet,
Okay.
if I try hotspot, my instance is not even opening. I've
Yeah,
completed the
yeah.
yesterday's work, but I mean the day before yesterday's work, both the three things are completed, but these three I haven't done that.
Okay. And
It will be
again,
done.
okay.
I
And
understand the
Prasad, again,
logic,
you have
and
done
it
the
will be
same
done.
mistake. Okay. 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 Yeah, I think some people might have not added this old y not equal to not equal to old value. It should be added. Okay. If you
Yeah.
don't add that old y not equal to new value, this
Mhm.
information will be shown every time when the priority is changed. Every time the priority is changed, but we don't want it, right? So if when the form loads, if it is one, so it should be displayed if the priority is changed to anything other than one, right? So that's why you need to add that old y not equal to new value condition.
Correct.
And Prasad, you have done the same mistake once again. What I
Yes.
said
Here
when
also.
creating new
Yes.
fields, change the backend field names.
Here, right?
See,
You underscore.
yeah,
But
not
it
here.
is.
While creating the
Yeah,
field.
yeah, yeah. Got it, got it, got it.
But
Yeah,
okay.
while creating that field, u underscore string should not be there. That should be proper name for that. For that
Yeah,
string, whatever the front end name, that should be the backend name. That would be easy
Okay.
for
So,
segregation.
but
understanding. Yeah.
yeah, Kalki. But how to like it's auto populated, right?
How you are creating the fields
Wait, like here only. Like I'll show you. So here in
through form design or table?
no design, like form design.
Yeah, through form design it will auto populate, but you can change it. Click on form design.
Yeah.
Add some field, random field type.
Okay.
Just not field type.
Sorry.
We are
Sorry.
adding the field.
Field
Yeah,
type.
Correct.
Yeah,
Okay.
string.
yeah. Just drag it. Yeah, click on gear icon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, yeah, in the name you
Okay.
should
Yes,
change.
you
It
can
will
edit
auto
it.
populate, but you should
Yes.
change it.
Okay, we should make it same. Okay, got it. Yeah, I'll do it.
You know the
Yes.
U underscore
The
definitely should
the
stay,
u
but the
underscore
other thing
is
should
it
part it.
I mean the u underscore is permanent, right? We can't
Yeah,
remove
U
u
underscore is
underscore.
permanent. Yeah,
Then
if you
after
try to
that
remove
anything
also
we
it will be
can
added.
remove.
Yeah,
Yes, I
after
actually
anything you can
tried
change
with
it.
that, like simply writing email and the name should be email, and then it didn't happen. It was
Yeah.
not taking. It was internal error.
So, Kalki,
LinkedIn,
here
and you're
in
not
email,
authorized to
like
do that.
how to do that? It is already there. Like name,
Now
admin.
I think you can't change it because you already created it.
Okay, okay. So I have
Okay,
to
but
delete
Remove
then.
it
leave
and
it like
then
that. No,
while
for
creating.
now leave it.
Okay.
Yeah.
But while creating only check it.
And one more like that change table. So here,
This incident
incident
table.
instead of incident, it should be change task, right?
Mhm.
No, the table
That
should be incident.
the change table, like which you have given, this one, like when the risk is high, cap required field should be true and only, sorry, read only.
Yeah.
So
You should write for
this
change request table, client script.
change request table, right?
Yeah.
So then this particular thing like here, just a second. So here it should not be incident table, right?
Yeah, it should be change request table.
So yeah,
Okay.
You're
got it.
changing the existing one. You're changing the existing one, okay?
The new one, yes.
You should create
I'll
a new
do.
one. Anyway, I
Yes.
think this will not work. The script is not working, I believe. Is it populating email and manager?
No, it is not. Like
Anyone can find any mistake in the script? There was a mistake. And for every script, you're modifying the second line, Prasad. I think you're adding that double triple equal to empty. I think it will not be there out of the box, right? I think only
Uh,
new value will be there. For every script, you're adding it. Okay?
no, it is okay. For me, it is showing like blank only, like new value equal to blank. Like,
There are triple equal to.
Oh.
Why is there is triple equal to? There should be double equal to, right?
No, no.
yeah,
If it's triple equal to, it'll validate the field like types also, variable type also.
okay,
That's the
Okay.
difference actually. If it's double equal, it will only validate the value. But if it's triple equal, it will validate the field type, like the variable type also.
Bit reference scholar.
Okay. Anyways, if this code doesn't work, so what is the error? Don't disturb the second line, third line, fourth line until it's required. Okay.
okay, yes,
Yeah.
okay.
It was very easy.
So
The
if like
mistake.
it is loading is there, on
The
change should be
use
there.
Hmm?
So the
the
function is on
use
change. So
No, I'll explain you about that if block later in the tomorrow
okay,
class. Yeah, let's move. Let me go to step by step. That's why I left
okay.
it for now. Yeah. But yeah, what is the mistake?
ID,
the user email and user manager should be in string, right? Should be
No, it's
uh,
variable, right? You shouldn't give in string.
yeah, variable.
It's fine.
Okay. And then gfox
Mistake is
value,
in fifth line.
value.
Okay, variable user.
Oh, will it be get reference or it be visible or something?
Please get reference only. If you want to access any reference record the field values, you'll use get reference only. But what is the field that you gave there?
Uh,
Caller ID.
sorry, called ID I've given. It should
Yeah.
be called.
Called ID.
Yeah, got it.
It should be caller ID.
Yes, caller ID. Yeah.
And what is the client script name you have
It's a
given?
minute.
You gave the client
Okay.
script name as
No,
assignment.
actually, Kalki, here actually for everything I have mentioned assignment only. Actually, I have not like saved and run it. So I was like only writing these logics. So I'll just run it right now by changing this name and
Okay, every time you're using the same client script.
yes, yes, for everything.
But
If you'll
why?
see, no, like here, if you'll check all the logics I've given in like same field only. So I'll feel like make those comments and I'll run those things. So I
Why?
hope.
Why? No, 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 don't do that. Each
Okay,
requirement should be each client script. As I'm just explaining to you, I don't want my client script table to flush with all the client scripts. I haven't done that.
okay, got it. And
But no, you should create individual client scripts as per the requirement.
okay. So Kalki, is it correct? Like this one, this hardware,
Yeah, it's
software, and method.
correct. Does it not
Okay.
working? It should work, right?
Yeah, like see here also it is new value triple equal to
Yeah, yeah,
dash
sure.
with.
Okay, if it's an outer box like that, don't disturb it.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
But I think there's something wrong here. Line number 9. Where you give this closed bracket there?
Line number 9,
Where is
it's
open bracket for that? There is no
open,
open bracket
close.
for that.
Yeah, it is not
It should be at
required.
the end. Go down.
If
Yeah,
it's
it should be there.
correct.
Yeah. Save.
So after if also it should be it started.
Better if you give it will be fine
It's
actually.
where is the starting? Where is the starting line?
Yes, that's so here also here it should start, right? No, if
It is closing here, na? It is closing after return. Then what is the opening one?
no,
Opening one should
actually
be from.
no, actually, I'll tell you. So this is one block. If
Yeah.
new value software, this is one block. So I'll start from here, then I'll end from like end it below the set value. So this will be
Yeah.
considered as
That's how.
one. Yeah, this
Yeah.
one is one
You should do
block.
it for the same for
Yeah,
every block.
yes. So here
Okay,
also
yeah, yeah.
starting and ending.
Mhm. Starting and ending. Yes.
Actually,
Now it
the
is rightly
blocks
populated.
doesn't matter here, but
Okay.
if it would be better if you give it because so if like in the if block, if you
Mhm.
are writing only one line of code, actually flower brackets are not required, but it's preferable to give. That's it.
So for the practice, it will be good. Like if you're
Yeah.
writing.
In real time also we mostly give brackets. Even I also give brackets even if it's single line within the
Okay.
block.
Yeah. So I'm only left with this
But
change
still one
title and
bracket
then
is missing. Still one parenthesis is missing.
sorry.
Still one parenthesis is missing. You gave for each block. What about the function? See, in
So
the
okay,
first line,
yes.
if lo
So
in the
function
first
block, yes,
line,
if it
yeah,
is opening over, but it is closing here, right?
that is if block. What about the function parenthesis?
Okay,
See the first line, first line. Yeah,
correct.
Yeah, it is red there. Is it red there? The one which is closed. Yeah.
perfect. That's it. Save.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
But
actually,
create
Gandhi,
multiple
what is
crying scripts.
happening while I'm writing this one and I want to run it, so I'll save and run. But if I'm opening any duplicate screen and I'm editing over there,
Hmm.
so it is getting like something is happening. It is not perfectly working.
If you open multiple page, if consider you open the same incident required multiple pages. You're asking about that, right?
Yes, yes.
How it will work? Until you save, the errors operation will not be done.
So every time I have to like go for a new incident and check, right? For
So
example,
try to do what you're saying. Yeah, save it for now.
yeah, I'll just no, I'll have to like filter out these things. G, okay, hardware, okay, correct. So double slash, it is double slash. So it is correct, right? Okay, am I doing it right?
There is
Like,
another
Why
parenthesis
did
at,
you
yeah,
remove that
sorry.
11th line?
sorry,
Why did
11th
you
line.
made that 11th line comment?
So I just want to run this block right now, header and assignment group. This the
See
particular.
everything. What I said you said. Write a client script. So if it is hardware, it should be assigned to hardware group. If it's software, it should be assigned to software group. You write the
Yeah.
same thing in the same script, right? Where you'll write multiple scripts for the same requirement. You're writing for the
Okay,
same
got it.
field, but where
Yeah,
you'll write multiple client scripts for the same field.
correct.
Got it?
Yes, got it.
But you're thinking to write multiple client scripts for the same requirement.
Yeah.
Wait, there is another bracket is
Again,
also closing at 20th. You should, I think, remove it.
No, I think that is for function, right?
everything is
Okay.
fine. I believe everything is fine.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it'll throw an error. It'll not be saved. Refresh or go back.
I think for like it was open for so late. That's why it is showing, I guess. Uh,
I think click on the service now icon, the service now writing. Then it
Go
will.
back. Go back. Go to browser back. Yeah. Once again.
yeah.
Let's refresh. Again, open the client script. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's catalog client
Yeah.
script. These are different.
Okay.
Search for client scripts.
This one, this is the one. Yeah, this is the one for hardware actually.
Okay, you're trying to create multiple client scripts for one for hardware, one for software, one for.
Yes, yes, one
So
for network.
why you need those? One is required. One is enough. Okay,
Okay,
that
yeah.
many are not required because all are those for same field only. Why you need multiple? During my training, also some guys actually done that
Okay.
at one
So
point of time.
here, what should I do? Like if it is hardware, then I want to add it for network. Then
Anyone can
I
answer. We'll write else if, else if, else if. That's it. The
okay.
same way you have done previously.
That I have like created multiple if block. So
Should you
here,
shouldn't give if you should give if else if else if else if.
okay,
I have
if
I have something some unusual question. Is there anything like or kind of things we can do like or hardware or software or network or something database or something?
So even if you're trying to do or the set value is different,
Okay.
right? set values studies are definitely different for each group, so it doesn't work.
Okay.
So you should write
Okay.
if
Should
else
be
if
else if.
blocks. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So after this if block, I should go for else if, right?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry. Mm, then the logic should be same, right? New value is
Else
equal to
if, not else. Else if.
if,
Else
then
space if.
okay. Yes. If, and the same logic, right?
Yeah, new value equal to software.
Okay. Okay, I have to check. Sorry. Okay. Not this one. This one. Sure. Check. So, so, let's go. Dot list. Okay, why it is showing green? Like, is it correct or sorry, is it wrong?
Q colon. Not
Sorry.
able to find not able to find anything wrong here.
So
Is
it
this
is
said is wrong or what? No, you did not give inverted comma for assignment group at the end.
okay. So again, one else if or inside this I can write.
Again else how will you write answer, sir?
Okay.
Yeah.
Is the assignment group is hardware, software.
Okay,
Assignment group is software. Yeah, network. Assignment group is
it not
okay.
got changed. See, for network, it not got changed.
Okay,
Okay.
Go to the client script once again.
just a second. Yep. Files.
Go down, go down, go down.
Yeah.
See, there's parentheses. I think some parentheses is missing. Go to the top ones. Wait. What's the problem here? Yeah, give the brackets for each block. Give the flower brackets.
For
Okay,
every.
spelling mistake. Yeah, spelling mistake. Yeah,
Yes, yes.
line number 11. Anyways, for each block, make the flower brackets mandatory. Okay.
Okay. So,
Yeah, the spelling is a mistake. Anyways, it will run. That's it. Save.
okay.
You can do it later.
Yeah. Activity. Yeah, it got changed. Yes, I'm done. Yeah, Kalki, it's done.
What about the other requirements?
Oh,
Priority, category, and what other things?
yes, actually, like those I have already written, but not saved it, like not run it. So I have to do that. So
No,
that's sorry.
go to the requirements which I have given. I think it's the third tab.
Yeah, this is the way.
What about the change request?
Change request, actually, I got stuck over there because I forgot of which table to reference. Like,
I
uh,
already mentioned there, right? Change request.
yes. So I thought it is change like task.
No. Anyone done
Yeah.
that? Anyone done that? Yes or no? Okay, I'll take it as no then. Do it by Monday.
Yeah.
Show the screen sharing, Prasad.
Yes.
So now let me go through onload client scripts. Okay. So when does an onload client script will run? When onload client script will run when the form loads. That means when you're opening a new record, that means that the form is loading. Then the onload client script will run. And when you click on save, the form will just reload and come right at that time also this onload client script will run, or when you open an existing record also in that case also onload client script will run. Okay, so in these three cases an onload client script will run. Let me show you. Whenever the form loads, then the onload client script will run. That's it. Incident UI type all onload, and let me gform dot add info message onload. Now let's see. Now I should get this info message. Now let me open a new record. Got it? The script is running when you're opening a new form. In the
Yes.
same way, let me open any existing record. See, System also the form is loading. So we got this info message onload client script. And let me change something. And let me just save. And before that, let me remove it. No, again, the onload client script will run and I'll get that in message. See? Because when you click on it, just the form will refresh, right? That's why. Okay? Did you understand when does an onload client script will run? Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, Kalki, yes.
Okay. So a requirement for the onload client script is when a new incident form is open, caller field should be auto populated. Okay. Before that, let me discuss about the glide form APIs. No, sorry, glide user. We will use this glide user API in order to do anything regarding the logged in user. Okay, so we have something here. Okay, let me show you. Mm, okay, let me use alert here. Okay, you can use alert also, you'll get a pop-up. So in order to access the glide user method, we'll use glide underscore user dot. If you want to get the logged in user sys ID, then we use this dot user ID method. Okay, and just save.
Okay.
So got it. In order to get the logged in user sys ID, we will use this g underscore user dot user ID. Now let me refresh this. So it should give me my sys ID, my user record sys ID. See, the pop-up comes like this. Okay.
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 Yes.
Next, how to get the logged in user first name. So we have a method here. See, there will less methods only. The first name, where is the first name? Yeah, here. The first name will give the logged in user first name. Let me refresh. So my first name is system, I believe. So it should give me system. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
And g underscore user dot last name should give the logged in user last name. Okay. So let me again reload. So you have a lot of requirements for Monday actually. See, yeah. This is the logged in user last name administrator. Okay. And in the same way, if you want to get the logged in users username, we have dot username property. Just save. So it will give the logged in user username. I think my username is admin. So it should give me admin. See, okay. And if you want the logged in user full name, you have get full name method. Okay. Let me just save. My full name is system administrator. Okay. So if I import some other user, consider. See, this is regarding the logged in user. Okay, if you're any doubt, let me import some able tutor or some other user. Let me able tutor. So the code that I have written now is get full name. So I should get able tutor. Let me refresh this. So I logged in as able tutor, right? So I'll get the full name as able tutor here. Got it? Got it?
Yes, Kalki. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
It depends upon the logged in
Yes.
user.
Right.
So if you remember, I have given here parenthesis, but before use for user ID, first name, last name, and username, I did not given this parenthesis, right? Did
Right.
you
Yeah.
remember?
Yes.
Yes.
Because those are properties. Those
Okay.
are known as properties, and this get full name is a method because of this parenthesis. That first name, user ID, last name, username will not have this parenthesis because those are properties. See, there is a difference actually. You can find it out here. See, there is these all are having symbol as cube, and these symbols are cuboid, right? But I
Yes.
think
Simple.
it's no, we can't compare like that mostly. But yeah, see, if you see this is the property, and this is also a property. Wait, uh, this is also a property. Actually, if I select here, we are getting it. Yeah, see, this is a property. If there are no brackets, if there are no parentheses, those are known as properties. If they're having parentheses, those are known as methods within this glide user. Okay, na? This
Yes.
first name, last name, user ID, username are properties.
Properties.
Just information, okay? Just some information for you. That's it. Okay, and get full name. And other thing is like you can know the logged in user is having any role or not. We have some roles methods for that. See, with this as role, g underscore user dot as role. So we'll give an parameter here, like consider some ITL role or role A or role B. So if the login user is having that particular role, this method will return true. Otherwise false. In the same way, if the login user is having that role, it will return true. Otherwise false. If the login user is having at least one role, this method will return true. Otherwise false. So in this particular method, we can give multiple roles. If the login user is having at least one role, this method will return true. Okay. But what's the difference between this and this? Any idea? Well, just let me try now. Let me try for now. Once. Mm, let me try as a role. Mm, I think I'm not having the role A. Okay, I have the role A. Let me do this. Mm, otherwise, let me try ITIL role. Okay, and let me save. I am an admin. Definitely, I will have the ITL role. So it should return true only for me. Let me refresh. Okay, true because I have the ITL role. Okay, now let me give the role A. If you remember, I removed the role A, right? I removed the role A here. If you remember just now.
Yes. Yes.
So as per your knowledge, whether it should return true or false.
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 Okay, let me save. Let me refresh. What is it returning?
Okay. True.
But do I have role A?
No.
Else
Okay.
condition is not given. No,
Else
it's
condition
not
is not a
false.
matter here actually. Yeah. See, this it depends
Okay.
upon
It
this
is.
particular method. Yeah.
Why it is showing true?
Okay, let me try to impersonate able tutor. Mm, let me check what are the roles that able tutor is having. If he's having role A, let me remove the role A. Okay, he's not having the role A anyways. So he's not having the admin role. Okay, he's not having the admin role.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
now
Okay.
let me impersonate able tutor and let me refresh this incident form.
False.
So it was expected actually. Able tutor is not having that role, so it's returning false. But why when I'm why for me it's returning true? Hmm? Hmm?
I
Hmm.
believe like you were having that particular role and it is there in the system, like it's already mentioned
No,
there.
it's
The
not
role
like
has been assigned, or you
the
just
role
removed the.
I removed that role, right? So it doesn't matter. So the role is not there for me currently. So it should return false for me. But it's returning true. For able, it's returning false. He's not having the
Yeah.
role. It's returning false for him, but I'm also not having the role. but it's returning true for me.
Maybe if you had the you have the admin role, that's why it is returning true, and for him it is
Exactly.
uh,
Exactly.
not the admin role.
Yes. For admins, even if the
Yeah.
mentioned role is not there, it will definitely return true. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So
So
that's
admin is a
why
must
we
user.
have another method known as role exactly. This particular method, okay, this particular method will don't even care whether you are admin or not. It will return true if you are having that role. And if it will return false if you're not having that role. As simple as that. It won't even care if you're admin or anything. Okay. But that as role method will return true even if you're not having that role, but even if you're admin. Okay.
Okay.
But this
Okay.
as
Okay.
role exactly will return true only if you are having that role. It will
That
return
particular role.
false. It
Okay.
will return false even if you're having the admin role also. It doesn't care. It won't even care.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
No, just let me try. Actually, for able to try, there is no admin role, right? Let me again go back to the
Yes.
incident form and refresh.
I think in the
Everyone
client
understood?
script also we also and encountered that kind of thing. It's like exact something and then like absolute something and then general something or something like that.
No,
I can't
display
remember
or visible.
completely.
No,
Yeah.
see, it's false. Okay,
Yeah.
Yes.
so if it's as role, even if the admin is not having that role, if he's the admin, if the logged in user is admin, it will run true. But in as role exactly, he should definitely, even if the admin, he should definitely have that role. Then only it will return true. Perfect.
Yes.
Okay.
That is the difference
Yeah.
between as role and as role exactly.
Exactly.
Next.
Okay.
Let me just see as roles. Okay, as roles. There will be no parameters for this as roles method because okay, see actually it shows some information also. See, returns true if the current user is as any role. Okay, in the same way, it will show explanation for this also. Returns true only if the current user has the specified role. Okay, in the same way, returns true if the current user is having that as a selected role or the admin role. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Got it. Now let me see. As the role. So it will return true if the current user is having any role, any
Any
one
role.
role, any one role. It doesn't even matter any role, any one role. I'm having many roles, so anyway it will return true for me.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the thing.
Always
Perfect.
going to be
Okay.
true for everyone. Like anyone having at least one role, then
Yes,
that
it
will
will be true.
definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And as role from list method, as role from list. In this, we can give multiple roles. Okay. Role A idea. Yeah. Even if the login user is having any role, it will return true. Okay. See, it will return true even if the user is having any one of the mentioned rows or else the admin role. Okay,
Yeah.
Yes.
like this. Like this we will give. Okay, so if the user is having logged in user is having any one role of this or admin, it will return true. Perfect. Okay. Okay now. So these are
Okay.
the methods or properties within the Glide user API. So today, mm,
Kalki, please share this document.
I
I
already
will
shared
take
you.
note.
I shared it
Okay.
yesterday itself. I think yesterday not. The day before yesterday I shared it. I believe in the drive,
Is it
not
on
in some
group or
specific
drive?
drive.
Okay. Okay. All
Yeah,
right.
if it's in the group, it will be very difficult to search, right, when it's needed. That's why I'm putting all this in the drive. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
When
All
the
right.
new incident form is opened, that means when a new incident form is opened, the caller field should be auto-populated with the logged in user. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Any idea how will you do that? So currently I'm system admin, right? I think I'm system admin. I think I stopped the impersonation. If not, let me stop it. Yeah, I stopped it anyways. So if I open the incident form, I am the system admin. So this affected user, like caller field, should be auto-populated with the logged in user. That means it should be auto-populated with the system
Okay.
admin. Okay.
System admin.
So
All
any
right.
idea how to do that? These are all the methods actually. Any idea?
Set display.
Why set display? See, set display is for to hide or make any fields visible.
Yeah.
Get reference.
Maybe get selection names or something.
So what is this? What is the use of this method? Anyone remember it?
Is
Is
new
new
record.
record.
This method will check if the record, if the opened record is a new record or not. This method will return true if it's a new record. This method will return false if it's not a new record. So using
Okay.
this method, you will find out whether the opened record is new record or not. Okay.
Okay.
And yeah, if it is a new record, then you'll set the value of the caller field with the logged in user. Means this is a reference field. So you need to
Yeah.
populate this field with the logged in user sysID. So which method I will use to get the logged in user sysID?
Get reference, right?
Get reference field.
Why get reference field? I will populate this field. I should
User
populate
dot
this field with the logged in user sysID. User dot.
sys ID.
Will get it like that. Just now explain these methods, right? In these methods, which method will give me the logged in user sysID?
User ID.
Um,
Yeah.
User ID.
So
user
these are the methods which are related to some logged in user details. If you want to get the any logged in user details, we'll use these particular methods or
Right.
properties. So you use this dot user ID to populate this particular field. Okay.
Yes.
okay.
And in the same way, so all these are mostly onload client scripts only. Yeah, onload client scripts only. And next, actually there are other few methods also, 2 or 3 methods for options. Okay, if you want to add, consider if you want to remove any of this option, we have a method known as dot remove option. The same way, if you want to add any option, you have a method known as add option. Okay, so what you should do is create a new role. Okay, P1 role. P1, the role name is P1 role. Okay, so resolve option, resolve choice in state field should be for P1 ANC should be visible only for the people, only if the logged in user is having P1 role. Got it? Understood? We have this P1 role, right?
Okay.
Sorry, we have this resolved state, right? Resolved.
Yes.
Okay.
So this for P1 incidents, this resolved state should be visible only for the users. Like if I'm the logged in user, so if I'm the logged in user and consider this is the
Okay.
high priority incident,
Priority one.
this is the high priority incident, and only if I'm having P1 role, then only this resolve option should be visible for me. Otherwise, it should not be visible. Okay, for P1 incidents, resolve option should be visible only if the logged in user is having the P1 role. Okay, for this, you will use this dot remove option method, g underscore form dot remove option. In this, which field option you want to remove, that field name, which option you want to remove, that option, backend name or frontend name.
Backend name.
Backend name.
Yes, this is the method you will use to remove the option. Okay,
Option name.
and
Short description is contained.
The same way, if it contains hardware, it should be category should auto populated with hardware. So for this, which method you will use? So we'll use dot index of method. It's JavaScript method actually. Okay, when I'm saying this array, I should write dot index of. If people doesn't do, I will explain it. Don't worry. Okay.
Category should be
But if you're not getting
objective
anything, please
method.
ask. Don't just make it like a backlog. Okay, the same way. All these should be on load client scripts only. And I have another question actually. Let me open some existing incident form. Think for hardware. Prasad, please share your screen actually.
Yes, I'm sharing.
And open the any existing incident form and incident list in the next tab. Incident form on one tab and incident list in another tab.
Okay. So this is the incident actually. So existing incident, right?
Yeah, and incident list in another tab.
Okay, yeah. Yes.
Okay, what's that 99909? Okay, open that incident record.
I
No,
think
no,
that
the
is
previous tab. Yeah.
yes.
Make the category as hardware.
Okay.
Okay, assignment group operated with hardware. So
Yes.
is it saved to the database or is just showing on the form assignment group field? That value is already saved in the database or it's showing only on the form?
No, it's saved in database.
I think it is showing in the form until we update it. It is not saved to database.
Okay, any other answers from any other one?
It's showing us old value as inquiry. So it is
No, it
already
doesn't.
there.
No, until the form is not updated,
Okay,
how it
actually I
will
have a
be
doubt.
saved to?
Yeah. Okay. You have the list right in the previous in the next tab. Go to the tab.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Niketan. Okay. Just refresh this.
This one, right?
Refresh this list. Refresh this tab.
Yeah.
So what about the first incident record assignment group? I think that is the incident record that you opened, right?
Yes,
Just
yes.
don't open it. Don't open it. Don't open it. See in the list view. What is the assignment group?
It's empty.
So what does it mean?
So it's when it is not assigned to any group. It's still open in
No.
progress.
Is it more? It is. It does mean that it is saved in the database or not?
No.
Yeah. Because you open the same incident in previous tab, right? It's just auto populating on the
Yes.
form. It's just
Right.
populating until you
Yes.
save
Yes.
it. It won't update in this
It
database.
won't be.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Got
Yeah.
it.
But
Okay.
if I
Okay.
have saved it with something else, like for software, I have saved it with software, and then in the form I have opened another, like he opened it in another tab, and then I
Okay.
like put hardware, and
Okay.
then if I refresh this page,
Understood.
will it show software or it will it show empty?
Okay. Once open this record here in this tab. No,
Oh,
no, in this tab itself. Yeah.
okay.
Go to the previous tab. So what is now? It's yeah, it's empty, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Just save it now.
Okay.
Okay. Go to the previous tab now.
Okay.
What happened? See?
It's showing hardware.
Yeah.
And there is some icon, something, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Go to that.
Yes.
No,
Yes.
not there. No, for category assignment group. For category and assignment group.
Okay.
Just over your cursor onto the icon behind before like hey, not that
That
one. See,
that
there is some
that
blue color
starting
or something,
icon.
right?
Yeah. Blue color.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is saying?
System administrator to modify the speed value.
Field
Okay. Okay.
value.
Okay.
Okay. Got it.
That's how it works. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
But it
So
so it'll not show it'll just show the last saved
yeah,
that thing,
yeah.
The last updated one.
last
Yeah,
updated one.
because
Yeah.
yeah, previously you're still modifying it, but you haven't saved it. When only you save it, it will be saved in database, right?
Right.
So that's the thing. So
Got
when you
it.
save in database, it will reflect it to, if any place the same form is being open, it will get reflected like this. See, it was saying that these two things are got changed. It is not
Yes.
showing at all other fields. It was showing only for these two fields because these two
Category
fields
and
changed by you
yes.
just now, right?
Yes.
It was saying who also modified that, system administrator modified that.
Yes. Administrator things. Yes. Okay.
So that's it for the day actually. Okay,
Okay.
actually for this, if you want to save it, if you want to save it, there is a method known as dot save method, g underscore form dot save. Mostly we won't actually use it. Mostly we won't use it.
Okay.
So if you just add this g underscore form dot save at the end of this client script, left, yeah, this client script, right? For this hardware it should be hardware, for the software it should be software. So at the
Yes.
end of the client script, if you write g underscore form dot save, it will be saved automatically. Whenever this changes happen, it will be automatically saved. But we mostly won't use this method. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, but for every change it will be saved. That's why we won't use that method. But we can
Okay.
use, if the requirement is something like that, we can use. But mostly I never used it until now, that
So
method. But
any
that
change
method
will
is
be
there
done.
actually. Now you change it to hardware, right? It will automatically save. If you change it to software, it will automatically changed. Go to the client script. I think it was open just previous tab, in the previous tab.
Yes.
Yeah, that one. Yeah. Go down in the line number 12, before 12.
Okay.
So anything you wanted should be between, like inside the function only. Yeah. G underscore form dot save.
Okay.
Yeah. Give parenthesis. Yeah. Save. Save this client script. Now refresh the incident form. Okay. Now change the software. Change it to software. See what's happening?
Okay.
It's
It
already
will
Yes.
saved.
change.
So this
It's
dot save
updating.
method actually does that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I was also
So
going through the ServiceNow University courses, and there was
Okay.
some like 21-minute video on dot working. Is it
That's
related something with that?
Yeah, it is. It is. But it's not. This is not for that. We will have the
Okay,
dot
okay,
working in
okay.
business rules in the server side script. This is the
Uh,
client script, right? In the same way,
mhm.
after this client script, we are discussing about the server side script, nothing but business rules. In the business
okay,
rules, we will use the dot working. See, if you
okay,
consider the dot working, we are to get the reference field record values, you're using this get reference, right? In the
Yes.
same way, in the server side scripting, you can just simply use this dot working. Actually, it's just like dots. It's very easy in that case. Okay,
Okay.
so
okay.
Okay.
it comes in the server
That
side
was a
scripting.
21-minute video that,
Yeah. Okay.
although I haven't watched it, but it
Okay,
was
let me
there.
add this dot save method and this add option, remove option in this methods, and I'll again update this notepad in the drive. Okay, and I'll upload this use case full file also. I want you to do okay
Yeah.
by Monday, because there is 1 day, 1.5 day. At least
Yeah,
invest time, because in this scripting, in the advanced training, we should invest time definitely. Otherwise,
yeah,
there
it
is
will
no
be done by
use.
Monday.
Yeah, everyone. If anyone stuck at any point, please ask anyone. I'm not hearing many people voice here. I'm hearing only some people voice. I want you to interact and learn. Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.